Welcome to the airport. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your very first journey, the airport is the gateway to your adventure. Are you excited about your first flight? The anticipation of flying can be thrilling. From the moment you step into the airport, a world of possibilities opens up. Air travel can be a new and interesting experience. The hustle and bustle, the diverse crowd, and the sheer scale of the airport can be both exhilarating and overwhelming. This guide will help you navigate the airport. We will go step by step. It will be easy. From check-in to security and finally to your gate, we will cover everything you need to know. Then you can relax and enjoy your trip. Imagine sipping a warm cup of coffee, browsing through a magazine, or simply watching planes take off and land. Airports can seem big and busy. The constant movement of people, the announcements, and the various checkpoints can be daunting. This guide will help you feel calm. With a little preparation and the right information, you can navigate the airport with confidence and ease. We will use simple language. Just follow these steps. Clear instructions and helpful tips will ensure you know exactly what to do at each stage of your journey. Soon, you will be at your gate, ready to fly. The excitement builds as you get closer to boarding your flight. Are you ready? Let's go. With your boarding pass in hand and your luggage checked in, you're all set for an unforgettable experience. Our journey begins at the airport entrance. From here, every step brings you closer to your destination. Let's embark on this adventure together. Give yourself plenty of time. It is important to arrive at the airport early. This will give you time to check in and go through security. Plan to arrive 2 hours early for flights within the United States. For international flights, it is best to arrive 3 hours early. This extra time will help you feel relaxed and ready for your flight. Now that you're at the airport, let's find your airline's check-in counter. Checking in is easy. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or flying for the first time, the process is designed to be straightforward and convenient. You can do it online, at a kiosk, or at the counter. Online check-in is simple and can save you a lot of time at the airport. You can do it from your computer or phone, making it incredibly flexible. Whether you're at home, at work, or even on the go, you can check in with just a few clicks. You will get a boarding pass. This can be a digital version on your phone or a printed one, depending on your preference. This is your ticket to board the plane. Make sure to keep it safe and easily accessible. If you can't check in online, don't worry. There are other options available to ensure you can complete the process smoothly. Look for your airline's kiosks. These are usually located in the departure hall and are clearly marked. These machines are easy to use. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll have your boarding pass in no time. You can print your boarding pass there. This is a great option if you prefer having a physical copy. If you prefer to talk to someone, go to the airline counter. The staff there are trained to assist you with all your check-in needs. The friendly staff will help you check in. They can also answer any questions you might have about your flight or the check-in process. Remember to keep your boarding pass and ID handy. These are essential documents that you will need to present at various points during your journey. You will need them throughout your journey. From security checks to boarding the plane, having these documents ready will make your travel experience smoother and more efficient. Don't forget about your luggage. If you have checked baggage, you will need to drop it off at the counter after you check in. Make sure your bags are properly tagged. This ensures they will be routed correctly to your destination. Once you have your boarding pass and your luggage is taken care of, head to the security checkpoint. Be prepared to show your boarding pass and ID. Follow the instructions of the security personnel, place your belongings in the trays provided, and walk through the scanner. After passing through security, collect your belongings and proceed to your gate. Keep an eye on the flight information screens for any updates. Relax and wait for your boarding call. Use this time to grab a snack, read a book, or simply unwind before your flight. When it's time to board, listen for announcements and follow the boarding instructions. Have your boarding pass and ID ready for final checks. Walk down the jet bridge and enter the airplane. Find your seat, stow your carry-on luggage, and get ready for takeoff. Enjoy your flight. You've successfully navigated the check-in process and are now on your way to your destination. If you have bags to check, look for the baggage drop-off area. This is usually near the check-in counters. An agent will weigh your bags and tag them. Make sure your bags are within the weight limit. Airlines have rules about how heavy bags can be. You can find this information on your airline's website. Once your bags are tagged, you can say goodbye to them until you reach your destination. Now let's head to security. Section 5. Through the security gate, keeping everyone safe. The security checkpoint keeps everyone safe. You will need to show your ID and boarding pass. Put your bags on the conveyor belt. You will also need to remove your shoes and jacket. Place them in the bins provided. Take out your electronics and put them in a separate bin. Liquids must be in small containers. Place them in a clear, quart-sized bag. Once you are through security, collect your belongings. Section 6. Finding your gate, your flight's home base. Your boarding pass has your gate number. It also tells you when your flight boards. Look for the big screens. They show flight information. Double-check your gate. Sometimes gates change. Listen for announcements too. They will tell you about any changes. Once you find your gate, relax. Charge your phone, use the restroom. You are almost ready to board. Section 7. Boarding the plane. Time to fly. The excitement builds as you prepare for your journey. Airports are bustling hubs of activity, filled with people from all walks of life, each with their own destination and story. When it's time, they will announce your flight. Keep an eye on the flight information boards and listen carefully to the announcements over the PA system. These announcements are crucial as they provide the latest updates on your flight status, including any changes to the boarding time or gate number. The gate agents will tell you when to board. They are there to assist you and ensure a smooth boarding process. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to approach them. They are knowledgeable and ready to help. Listen for your boarding group. Boarding is usually done in groups to manage the flow of passengers and avoid congestion. Pay attention to the announcements and the screens displaying the boarding groups. Your boarding group is on your boarding pass. This small piece of paper holds all the essential information you need, including your seat number and boarding group. Keep it handy and ready to show when needed. They often board special assistance passengers first. This includes individuals with disabilities, elderly passengers, and those needing extra time to board. The staff is trained to provide the necessary support to ensure their comfort and safety. Families with young children usually board next. This allows them to get settled and organized before the general boarding begins. It's a thoughtful gesture to make the experience less stressful for parents and more enjoyable for the little ones. Then they board the rest of the passengers. This is done in an orderly manner, usually by row numbers or sections. Follow the instructions given by the gate agents to ensure a smooth and efficient boarding process. You will hand your boarding pass to the gate agent. They will scan it to verify your information and allow you to proceed. This step is crucial for security and to ensure that everyone boards the correct flight. Then you can walk through the jet bridge and onto the plane. This final step marks the beginning of your journey. As you step onto the plane, find your seat, stow your carry-on luggage, and get ready for takeoff. Enjoy your flight and the adventure that awaits you at your destination. Section 8. Finding your seat and settling in. Getting comfortable. When you enter the plane, a flight attendant will greet you. Show them your boarding pass. They will point you in the right direction. Find your row number. Place your carry-on bag in the overhead compartment. It is above your seat. Make sure the aisle is clear. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Section 9. Ready for takeoff. Enjoy your journey. Congratulations. You have successfully navigated your first time through a U.S. airport. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Look for more travel tips online. Subscribe to our blog for more information. Happy travels.